Greetings and welcome to 3dmotive.com. My name is Alan Fawn and I'll be your instructor on this comprehensive course for game mechanics in Unity 5. If you've got some experience with Unity or just want to jump in at the deep end, and of course if you want to make incredible video games, then you've certainly come to the right place. In this part of the course, I'll consider version control and team workflows. If you work alone or in a team, you'll often want to keep track of development and its progress over time. You'll sometimes want to try out new ideas without damaging existing code, or perhaps you'll take a wrong turn and want to rewind development to an earlier time. And you'll also want to make it easy to collaborate with other developers and access your code anywhere in the world. Here we'll see how to achieve these things completely free of charge using version control with Git. I'll explain how to get up and running with version control quickly and easily in Unity, even if you've never used version control before. So there's a lot to see and do here. Now let's get started.